One of the questions I've been asked lately is how to post videos on your blog or your website, or how to embed videos on your website. So I'm going to share my screen with you real quick, and I'll do just two quick little examples in WordPress to show you two different ways to do it, or at least two different ways that I do it, and then you figure out what works for you. So let me share my screen here with you. So here I am in my WordPress dashboard, but let's go over to YouTube. So here's a video of me. Let's say I want to share this. I click the share button, and then it gives me options. So the simplest way is just to copy this link right here and just click the copy button. And then I go back over into my WordPress dashboard on my blog, and let's just say I want to put it right here at the top of the blog. All I need to do is click this button that says add media, and then insert from URL, and then just paste the URL in there and give it a second to populate. And there it is. So I'll put insert into post, give it a second. Bam, there it is. And then I hit update. Here's what the page looks like before the video was there. And then here's the page after the video is there, right? There it is. So that's just pasting in a URL, right? That's pretty simple. So let's see what it would look like if you have an embed code. So here I am back on the YouTube video, and I click share, but I want to embed it, which means there are going to be some specific rules for the video. YouTube doesn't let you choose the rules like they used to. So you just highlight this embed code by left clicking and then right clicking to hit copy. Then I'll just close it out. I go back over to my blog. Now in my blog, wherever you want it to go, you're going to put, so I use a plugin called Advanced Responsive Video Embedder, I think. Advanced Responsive Video Embedder. And it's a plugin, it's free. So I'll click that. And then right here, you can put in the embed code or the URL. And so you'll notice I copied the entire embed code, right? But it went in as a URL. And just to show you that I did, in fact, just put an embed code in there. Let's get this out of here. So here's what I copied from YouTube. There it is. I pasted that. Here, I'll copy it again just so you can see. Copy. And then paste. And it goes right in as the URL, even though it was an embed code. So if you have an embed code from Vimeo or YouTube or wherever, you just paste it into this line on Advanced Responsive Video Embedder. And you know what? I'm going to do, let's see, I want it to be in the center. So I want it centered on the page, and then I want a maximum width for me of 750. That's how I like it. So let me hit update, and then I'll save it, and then we will go back over. All right, so this is just pasting the URL straight up into the blog. Here is with Advanced Responsive Video Embedder. Looks the same, right? So there you have it. So the challenge is these suggested videos pop up, and there's no way to get rid of them now. And you used to be able to get rid of those with YouTube. So if your videos are hosted somewhere other than YouTube, you can not have suggested videos pop up, but that's how it is. So I hope that this shows you a really quick tutorial on how to embed videos on your website. Remember, this was with Advanced Responsive Video Embedder. You just put it right there. And you know what? Let me just close out of this, and then I'll show you one more time. And then if you just want to add a straight URL, we go back and you hit share, and then all you do is copy the URL, and then go back into your blog, hit add media, insert from URL, paste it in, there it is, and then hit insert into post. Here it comes, bam. I hope that helps. So that's how to host an externally hosted video on your website. And if you have any questions, make a comment down below, or if you're on my email list, shoot me an email and let me know, and I'll do what I can to help you. So I hope that you have an amazing day, and happy 2019, everybody. Bye.